Welcome everybody. I'd like to thank our property management division for organizing this event called Winning of Hearts. For our service providers, this is our way of saying thank you to all the service warriors that we have within our park. These are the guys who ensure that we have the light on 24/7. These are the guys who ensure that we have safety and security for our park guides, and also these are the guys who ensure that the park is clean and maintained well and landscaped well all along. They are the ones who are in the background working 24/7. So I'm really glad that we are able to do this today, and hats off to the PMD team, and once again thanks to all the service providers. Cheers.
I'm so glad that the event was organized so well, and the participants were very happy.
Very few company which reward and recognizes the ground staff. So in that way, really heartfelt that my entire team has been recognized and rewarded in a beautiful way.